Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Okay, so let's do a hub together today. Like I want to do like this feeling lucky one. I think we did this. Camera this. Let's go a level up. Let's take this three bars. Let's view the hub. Okay, 5 flags. I have like, what time is it right now? Let me see real quick. My camera is in front of it, it's really annoying. Okay, I have some time maybe, and otherwise we finish it another time. So let's launch the hub. I'm just gonna drag this to my second screen. Let me real quick, whoops, log in. And then, whoops. Okay, let me open Pro. I hope you're all doing fine today. Like, it's okay. Let me. Oops. Okay, next. Let's start this one too. Like, I really enjoy using Burp more on just on my Windows over my Mac because when I'm because my PC is like not strong enough, especially this Windows, to run it in the VM smoothly. So yeah, I'm doing it this way right now. When I hack on my Mac, it's even more easy because it's also unique. So personally, I love hacking on my MacBook. I love also the bug bounty partners on my Mac. I think it's way more faster than on a Windows machine. But for making these videos, my Windows machine is a bit better. Yeah, difficult choices. Let's see. Do we have something from okay, this one we need. So these are the word lists you can use from the website, so you don't need to enumerate like big waiting times. Do we have already? Let's open real quick also just notes part. Notes. Let me drag that one real quick to here. Yeah, okay, it's from the other one we did. So let's close this one and let's start here. Let's grab the IP, the domain real quick. Okay, so let's play around with this one. So first thing what I want to do is, let's open already another one. First thing I like to do is run a GoBuster. GoBuster directory. Wordless is going to be in this particular thing the content, and the URL is going to be HTTPS, I think, and then the domain. Okay, let's run this one. Next thing is we're gonna say a GoBuster for finding some DNS. The domain is going to be this domain, and the word list is gonna be like the subdomains. Nope. Error DNS return the same IP for every domain. Okay. We can use wildcards. Whoop, that is wildcard, something like this. Okay, let's just run this using this wildcard, and let's check this thing out. Okay, we have found some nice things. Let me grab this one. So on the domain we found the API. We found an API. We found files. Forget password. Okay, that also run real quick. Ooh. Yeah, of course, Christoph. When you copy another thing. Let's also run an mmap. Just a quick mmap scan to see what ports are open. Of course, like when you're doing this hacking hub thing, you know it's bug bounty, so you know a web application is running. That's why I'm immediately starting these standard scans. Okay, let's also try maybe GoBuster Okay, go Buster. Let's try this Vhost. We're gonna set the URL to HTTPS, of course. Wow. Like this, and then word list is going to be subdomains, the same thing, and let's also run for some vhost. Okay, but we already have some. Okay, like you see, it's 80 and 443. It's pretty standard on these boxes, but you better check it out. Okay, let's open Firefox. Let's go straight into this one. Okay, that was, again, I did not copy the right thing. Let's go straight into this one. Okay, casino lottery, admin login. Burp is up and running. Update on next restart. We're going to the proxy. First things first, let's change this thing real quick. I think it's user interface, display, dark. Is this a bug? Okay, or it's really slow, or okay, it was really slow. Okay, but that doesn't matter. We have dark mode, and we're not gonna use like Firefox. Stupid one of me. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use Chromium. I have lately some problems with the Firefox extension on my Windows PC, not on my Mac. It crashes a lot, so right now I'm using this. When I have time, I need to figure it out what is wrong with it, but till then we can just use this. It's perfectly fine. It does the job. So we have casino admin login. Like, is it gonna be like admin login? Login? Nope. Okay. We have a forget password. Admin. You find a match using, okay. Like, that was everything. I have my notes aside here. So like you guys know, we did well, let's see the vhost for a moment. Nope, nothing interesting. So like you guys know, we found this API endpoint. So next thing what I really want to do is, like, we have already found this, let's just start scanning these endpoints also. Like, we found this API endpoint, so let's go with this API endpoint. And let's just fuzz first. Let's just start by fuzzing. I'm gonna add things to my notes, so if you find things, I'm just gonna document the paths. And why is everything running so strange? Let me real quick see. Wayo, necessary wallpaper. Okay, what is going on here? Yeah, like Burp right now, it's using a lot of my PC's power, and okay, I hope it will get better in a moment. Okay, we have find API, and then we have find like API -v1 -v1. Okay, let's also scan on the v1. Oops, sorry. Let's also scan on the v1. And maybe let's see what we can find on here. There's also files, forget password. I think we already did that one, but we can like check this out. So we have a users, so v1, so we have API v1 users. Okay, let's add that one, and it's done. Can we scan like one more further, like let's say users? Let's scan again. Maybe we find something else interesting. Okay, users, even find a me. Okay. Real quick, let's go proxy history. So we did do this get. Okay. So nothing too interesting. Like we see it's running nihix. Like we can take note of this server. And it changed the location to login, so there's a redirect. So when in the pen test we can maybe change if you can see if you can change this redirect, but that's not gonna be the thing for now. Let's see, this is the login. We have this site.js. Oh, it's grabbing this thing here. So this is for the reset password. It takes username. It's got to v1 auth. Like, did we find auth on the API? Nope. Okay, so that's another endpoint. API dash v1 dash auth. So can we scan on that too? We did scan on me. Let's also run one more time. And let's maybe copy this one real quick. Copy selection. Let's paste this one real quick here. And instead of this, we're gonna set like auth, and we're gonna scan this part too. Okay, after me, nothing interesting, and we have this auth. Yes, this is a forget password. Okay, okay, so we have auth, and then we have forgot. What is this underscore password, and we have then. Let me copy this real quick. I can maybe better like show you what I'm doing with my notes instead of trying to hide all these things. Like, and we have new. Okay, all things we need to look into. Okay, I think like this part is pretty much done. What we did have was the files, but was the files was not under the API part, so it was files is like this part, files. Yeah, okay, let's just I like this. And another one what we have was is files, forget password. It's a redirect probably to here. It's 200, no. JS we did have, but nothing too interesting. Login, log out, nothing too interesting. The upload part is the one I want to check. Upload. Okay, so much scanning. We found an index.php under files. So let's grab it here, files. Let's drop one line, index.php. Okay, let's drop one line. Okay, awesome. So yeah, this login, log out, we can delete, like that's not interesting for us. And this line can be gone. Okay, then the only thing we're checking is the index is going to be the end, and this is upload. Upload is nothing, but I'm scanning upload. Yes, not with API. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go real quick back to the application. So we have two possibilities here, I think. Maybe three. Let's real quick see. No, don't look at the first real quick sign on. We have some possibilities. So what we probably need is we need an account. We need access to the application. Okay, how can we get access? Like, I think with this labs, you get like these lists. And like we see, we have a username list and we have 2 password lists. So we have an option, but it's not going to be your first option. It's brute force users and password. Like, I think this is not the best option because we don't know like any user right now, so we can try and do like before we do that, maybe OSINT for usernames. It's gonna be a better option then. Okay, another thing what we can try is, of course, first thing what we need to do is check this API. I always check the API, check the files, and maybe this password. So we're gonna check the API first. Yeah, because there is something like this is maybe interesting. So check API endpoints. Points. That's the first thing. And next thing, what I want to check then is like all other endpoints. And then before I will dive into brute forcing an SQL map, something like this. Just make sure, like, I think brute force is the last resort, 9 out of 10, but keep it in mind, it can be a possibility because we have a username list and we have 2 password lists. So it can be a possibility to brute force, but in a bug bounty, you don't want to brute force things. So yeah, not that fun. Let me real quick watch. So we have API and v3. Let's go API. Let's grab the whole shebang piece by piece. So we have message from the API server. Can we do this pretty? Okay, nice. Okay, we have v1. It's a version 1. Do we have a version 2? No. Okay. There's probably only a version 1. And then we had some real strange endpoint like user, but it was forbidden because we're not logged in. Okay. That's okay. And then we had another one like me. Okay, but for both we need to log in. So what we maybe can try is we can try to create a bearer GVT token on a site and maybe it accepted, but let's first see other things, other endpoints that we did found. So not working. Yeah, we have this part here. I'm just gonna copy the whole part of this because it's almost the same path. It's only different is this all thing. Okay, that's page not found. I also forgot password, I think. Okay, this is a method not allowed. So maybe if we changed, but let me real quick watch because I'm doing things double. So we did post. Okay, we already did this post. This is this username, admin. Okay, nothing too interesting. Okay. Then the thing what we had was auth new. Okay, let's go to auth and let's open new. Again, method not allowed. Okay, but that is interesting. Like auth new. Let's send this one to the repeater real quick. Send to the repeater. Let's change the request method. Change the request method to a post. Send this and let's grab a drink. Oh, my eyes are hurting so much. Okay, like what errors, missing parameter. Okay, we can like do this. We can say here we want to have a username. Oops, sorry. Username. Why? Okay, better. Way better. Username. Let's create a user. Comma. Username, email. Boobla@boobla.b. Yeah. enumeration.com. Like, we're international right now, not Belgium only. Password. Password's gonna be like boobla 1 2 3, something like this. Why I'm keep mistyping, like password password 2. Okay, password 2. Let's make this again boobla 1 2 3, something like this. Can we make this pretty? Let me see. Username, email, password, password 2. Username, email, password, password 2. Okay. Don't make sure I don't make spelling mistakes. I'm an expert at making spelling mistakes. Everybody needs to be an expert in something. Send this bad request. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's grab this real quick. JSON. I'll change this one to JSON. Bad request. Like, and what is the other request? Like, login is in. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, okay. I just really fucked it up, I think. Did I? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Like, doesn't matter. Like, just start over. Username equals blah email equals blah at blah.com password equals like this, blah 1 2 3, and password 2 equals blah. Oh yeah, blah no 1 2 3. Okay, like this. Send this one now. Okay, we have 201 created. So it was, yeah. I don't know why I did automatically make this JSON, because all the rest was not JSON. So it was pretty stupid of me, but okay. Okay, that was the first flag. So we have an account now, I think. Probably. Let's go proxy. Do we have the login here? Send to repeater. Let me real quick see this part. Make this one capital. Okay, and are we in? Yeah, we are in, and they set a cookie. Okay. Okay, so we are in. Let's do this part in the application itself. Of course, let's duplicate this. Duplicate. Blup, 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 blup. Let's go to here. Let's say I want to enter this blah and on blah enter true. Let's enter this. Your account Boobla is awaiting certification. Okay, that's fine for my Boobla account, I think. But we did find this, and next they say we were forbidden. Are we still forbidden, like users? Okay, we're not anymore forbidden. So we did found a lot of users with a lot of IDs. Okay, what I think is interesting here is admin equals false. Can we, let me real quick see, admin true. Okay, this is our user, that's great, but can we do this? Let's create Boobla1, email address, Boobla1, password the same, but let's say if we say over here, and is let's just try admin equals true, and admin equals true. Let's see. Okay, our account is still created. Do we get something here? Okay, boobla 1, but admin is still false. Huh? Maybe is admin? Oh, okay, yeah. Username already take. Okay. Again, like just a question: can the emails be the same? Okay, so the email address can be the same. So if I remember correctly, for a password reset, can we go to this password reset? I have no idea what this is. Password links check. Okay, I don't want to have this. Like, bye. Okay, but where is this? Here. So what I don't really understand is it's gonna send to you, if we find a matching user account, we email you a reset link. Okay, yeah. So the username is unique, but email address doesn't really matter. It's not looking for the email. Okay, yeah, no. Okay, no problem. I was thinking maybe if this uses an email, but it uses the username, not the email. Okay. Wrong thinking. Did I send this request now? Did I send this request now? I have no idea anymore. Like, let me real quick. Boobla 1. Do we have a Boobla 2? Yeah, Boobla 2. But still no admin. Okay, so I'm still no admin, but we have a lot of usernames. And what I want to see is I want to add these admins, admin users. Let me see. Like, I'm really getting like big ass blind here. False. True. Copy. True. 1, 2, Matthew. It's false. True. Copy. Do we have one more? Nope. Only 3. Like, false. How many times you see true? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Yeah, only 3. Like, sorry, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. My eyes hurt. Yeah. I came straight from work and straight into making this video. So I'm already like 8 hours behind the computer, and I thought, let's do some more. So we have these users, and we also had like me. Okay, we found a second flag. Awesome. Copy. Yay, 2 flags. 3 to go. What we see here is we have an ID. This is our unique ID. We have a username, correctly. We have an email, correctly. And we have a certification token. Okay, so this is something, let's take a little note of this. Let's keep this for this user somewhere practical. Okay, we need access to the application. Bool, we have access to the application. Let's fucking delete this. Let's add this here. We need what do we need? Let me see. Okay, so we cannot do like anything because we are awaiting verification. Okay, but what we can try right here, so we need to get this, get verified get verified. We need to get verified. We need to get verified. Awesome. What we can try and do is inspect. We can let me real quick see console.log documents. Okay. Why I even type like console.log? Probably when you just do like document that cookie. Let me just feel like haha. I am just really tired. Okay, but we have this one. What we can do, like we go to here back and we are currently logged out. Okay, no problem. Log me back in. What we can do is we can run again some scans. Why can we do that? Because let's go first back to the API if you want, and let's go back from up to down. Because right now we are logged in. Can we do it this way? Nope. Go buster dash help. How do we set a cookie? There is a way. No. Okay, let me Google this real quick. How go Mr. set cookie? How did I do it? Like, is it just what? No, it's just amazing. So stupid. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's run more than one scan, of course. Like why I'm trying this right now with the cookie is sometimes when you I'm still scanning the content now. Sometimes when you're logged in, you have some extra functionalities, and you can find like other things maybe, or yeah, it's the me. Why is the me still 401? Let me why is the me still 401? Is the cookie wrong? Like I'm asking this like I'm on a stream to you guys, but go buster. Let me see, cookie. Oh, okay. I see what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's just this. And let's add this to here, just to make it for safe. Yeah, just because it was like giving me a 401, this is not possible 401. We are authorized to see that page. So no, it's gonna be, it needs to return the 200. Like okay, this is better. Okay, so this was a problem what I did. Let's copy this. Yeah, stupid me. Okay, better. Okay. So that was the me, this is without the me. And now let's just grab the API here. Zoops, let's And let me grab this one. So this was all 200 files, was a redirect. So I also want to scan the files and the uploads one more time. Yeah, so what we're doing is scanning. So first thing is scanning as logged. Next thing is, so after we did scanning, we can, yeah, I would say try different see token. Maybe we can see the token, like how the token is made, but we don't really see something of the token. So no, it's just the v1 and it's just the users. Okay, the only thing what I wanted to check here was the files and the uploads. So let's go to files. Let's go to files. Stupid. And let's go to uploads. Like it really doesn't matter with GoBootstrap, but I like to see it. Okay. Did we already see like this index? Is it files/index.php? No, there's nothing here. Okay, no problem. YF, because I'm stupid. Certification. Okay, let's go real quick through all these. Do we miss something? We did have this JavaScript file doing this. API server, nope, not too much. Yeah, let's just see API server 1. If we overlook something, nope. Using me, we already have that one. But I think we can maybe do this, and because we have this one, let me real quick see if the lab is not ending. Like, okay, we still have 22 minutes. We have API. Yeah, of course. Like in a pen test, you investigate this and you make a report if it thinks that are true. Like, it's really important. Okay, nothing too interesting. And that's the site. No, we already know all these. Like, no, nothing too interesting. I have the feeling like I'm missing something. Like, but we did get this token, eh? Like, can this token like be MD5 or something? Like, can we say let's do this real quick here. Did we find something special? Let's maybe try real quick here. Like, what is this hash? Is this a hash? Like, it can be MD5 or something. MD5 or MD2, MD5 or MD4. Like, is this something like our username or ID? Because we have IDs and then we can change the token. Like, I don't really know the command like md5. Nope. But we can do this easily right here, right? Like md5 encode, and then we just go to the generator and let's grab some basic things. Like we have all these things to test with from our user. So we have, I think maybe it checks on the email. Let's close this. Let's close this. Does it check on the email? Like if we generate this, we get this back. And what is our this one? I copy this one. Let's paste this here real quick. Let's minimize this and let's see. I'm just gonna keep this between the screens, but this one is not the same. So this one is wrong. So it's not the email address. Let's try the ID of the user. Copy. Let's really quick try the ID. Did I make a space in here? 1A2, no. Can we maybe just decode this, like MD5 decode? Maybe we can just say like decode the token. So I have my token. Oh, but wait. Before we dive too deep on this, like it looks like an MD5, but does this change when I log out and log back in? Like, if it changes, it's nothing with my account. You know, like let's maybe check that one first. Log out. If this right now changes, yeah, then it's nothing. Yeah, it changes. So it's just a temporary token. So it's not MD5. There's no useful data into this. It just goes to the account. It checks who has this token, and we get the data from the user who has this token. So it's nothing interesting about our user. So I thought maybe was the token made of a username or something special, just to then we can maybe forge our own token and we can change our token and get access to an admin. Okay, so that's not the option. Okay, we have this verification token. So we need this token probably to verify our account. But there is nowhere for verification. Can we like nope. No, okay. Added our users. Nope. Verification. Awaiting verification. Boobla. Yeah, account Boobla is awaiting verification. Okay. Yeah, we can delete this part. What am I missing? Like, I am missing something, huh? But okay, what I'm gonna try and do is like, to be completely honest, I think API v1 users, but instead using their things, we go into user share checklist. Of course not there, Christoph. Are you stupid? Let's go one back, two back, Do we have like word list, sec list? Yay! Durable star, discovery, web content, directory, lowercase, medium. Let's use another word list. Why another word list? Because of the simple reasons. I love these hacking hub things, but like you guys know, in previous one, I searched the shit out of myself and their word list was incomplete. Da-da-da. Just like I just knew it. Verify. So typical. Like maybe I'm gonna give that. I'm gonna put that one in the Discord to them. I'm gonna make a note of it right now. Notes. Hacking hub. Ooh. Hacking hub Discord. Need to update word list for every room. But I'm just gonna give you this as a hint already. Why? I'm doing this with everything. Use different word lists. Even if they say in a burp, in Portschwager Labs, in TCM, I don't care where, use different word lists. Even if they give you a word list, just try other word lists. They just do forget to update it, and then you're stuck for a while. But let me real quick see, because it says 405, so that's because it's sending a get method, and that is method is not allowed. Let's close this right now. So that method is not allowed. So let's grab real quick this one with a token. Send this one to the repeater. Change this to verify. Now you will see like method is not allowed, and now you can change request method, and now we get an error. Okay, so we need a user ID and we need the verification token. Okay, the verification token is the part we did find in the me part. Okay, so we can provide that. I'm not gonna make this JSON because probably it will just be XML. It will probably be from URL encoded user underscore ID. Yeah. And verification token. Let's copy this one. Zoop. Where did I place the and sign? Like, okay, again, and zoop equals, and then this ID. Copy. Zoops. Okay, let's send this. Whoa, user verified. So if everything is okay right now, we need to have user. Okay, great. We have a flag. Let's deliver the flag. Don't click lockout, please. You don't have access to this feature. Huh. Huh. Okay, you know what? I feel where this is going. What we're gonna do is, and I don't really know how to do it, to be honest. So I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna Google it here so you guys can see me Google. So interesting if I Google FFF brute force. First thing what we need is, I know we need this. Can I go back? This was a login, eh? Yay! So first thing we need is this. user, I think user first, and it's gonna be like pass first, and I need this request. I'm gonna copy this. We go back to here, and we go back to here, and first thing we're gonna do is ls. I don't want it in this one, so I'm gonna change directory. One down. Let's remove some shit, you know, like harry.txt, new Harry. Let's remove the request, the Hydra, and the filters. Okay, I'm getting so sick of this, you know, like sudo. We need to put sudo in front of this, you know what? Other. Yeah, I mean, like, the error is only for the directories, Christoph. Like, why you put the error right there? Because I am just a... What? Oh, it already did remove it. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's nano request that's txt. Let's add this. Let's save this. We have the token. Is it? We don't have a token because it's a login, of course. Let's go back to here. Let's guess how to first. Nope. Yes, use brute force for fuzzing. This thing is the thing we need. Okay. Oop. Okay. This thing is the thing I need. I need to copy this. I'm gonna add this for a moment to my notes, so I can see real quick how I need to build it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use ff. Then we're gonna say one tag request. Request. It's gonna be request.txt, and then it's requests proto. It's gonna be HTTP methods. It's gonna be post and mode. Sorry, mode is gonna be cluster bomb. Yeah, I'm thinking like I also can do this with the pro. Let's see which of the two is faster. Like, okay, cluster bomb. Okay, and then we need user list. Foop. We need a user list. Okay, let's change directory. Nano users list.txt. I did have the 3 admin users. Like, we only want admin rights. You know, like, I'm not. If this is wrong, I'm not doing this brute force to get. We're not going for normal lights because we are a normal user. We cannot do shit. So I want to be an admin. User list.txt, and now we need to do this. This is the part user and first, and then we need another word list, another list, and it's going to be like the password list. So it's one up. One up is going to be like word list. Nope. Hacking hub. Yay! And then passwords. You're gonna. No, I don't wanna. Please, don't make it large. Like, and then it's gonna be like pass first. Okay, and then we can filter things out. Let's see real quick what is. Nope, it's not right. Let's see, ffus dash request. Then txt request dash proto. It's HTTP mode is cluster bomb with a B Christoph, with a B cluster bomb. Okay, like you see, and this is the thing like we don't want to have. Like, what happens when we log in? Let me see. We get a 302. So what we want to have, and what happens when we do something wrong? When we enter the wrong credentials, we get a 200. So we have user first and pass first. So I think there's still something wrong. Let me grab this. User first, pass first. Why I get a 301? HTTP. Is this because it's HTTPS? Let me see. Yeah, because it was HTTPS. You see, like we did, now we have a 200 and we don't want 200, we want a 302. So we only want to see 302s. No, that's not possible. Is that possible? That's not possible. Yeah, that is maybe possible. Okay, that was real quick. Like, try again. Okay, let's try again. Okay, if it's okay, well, it is really quick, you know, like. Okay, we found credentials, I think. Copy selection. Okay, found credentials. Found. Oh, let's see the hub. Oh, so close. 4 minutes, and that was long. So we are already like 1 hour in. 1 hour in. 1 hour in. Okay. We found credentials. Found credentials. Let's add this. Mali, and it's password 1. Let's try and log in real quick here. Mali. Next, Mali. And password 1, I think. Proceed password 1. Do we get a 2 or 2? Yeah, we are logged in. We have a token. Let's real quick maybe just change the token in here. Inspect. Application token. Sorry, my mom was. Oh, cookie. Sorry, it was a cookie. Wow. Okay, so probably right now we are this flag 3. We already have flag 3. We can upload. Okay, nice. So we have flag 4. Let me real quick see. Okay, we have flag 4. Okay, let me know. Grab a drink real quick. Let me see what time it is. 6:30. Okay. Let's finish this last part. Let's first do a little exercise. Let's go. Okay, so choose a file to upload. Let's open Code. Let's open Code real quick and let's see. I'm gonna. Okay, there's something I was trying to do, but I'm gonna close this. Yes, save this, I think. Where I want to save this. Give me a moment. I just wanna something I was working on. Like, it's not that important, but desktop. Just this is my desktop. Okay, which you know what? Like, just don't save this. Okay, don't save. Okay, that can be gone. Okay, that's gone. Okay, great. It's file, new file. Yeah, shell.php. Oh, you guys didn't see that. You see, my brain is just leaving my soul. YouTube hacking, something like this. Okay, shell PHP create file. Okay, so if you guys watch my channel, you guys know I suck at PHP. Like, I don't even know if this the way is how you need to open and close things. So I'm gonna look this up, but before we're gonna do that part, what I wanna do first is I'm going to the folder we just created. From the desktop, we have this nice YouTube hacking folder, and we're gonna create another one. It's just gonna be a test one, and we're just gonna see is hello world. Just gonna save this, and we're gonna first try what can we do with this application. So we're gonna upload this file, go to the desktop, okay, and we're just gonna say test. Can we upload this? Okay, we can upload this. What happens when we go to here, link a new tab? Okay, it's hello world. Awesome. Next thing what we want to see is, can we get a remote, can we execute commands? So I'm gonna look this PHP web shells. I just want a normal, easy PHP web shell. Okay, so what we're gonna do, the next thing is right here. We have this. We can say like system, and system. We're gonna say like, let's say system ls, something like this. Can we list files? Choose a file, this shell, upload of course. Okay, it's uploaded, it's a PHP file, open it. Okay, we can list files. Okay, that's awesome. Now I just need to know the command to do the thing I want to do. This is the thing. You know what I need to do? I really need to type it. I always copy this part, and because I'm copying this, it is killing me. So I'm just gonna type it again. System. And then we're gonna open this. We're gonna close this. We're gonna put a dollar sign, and we're gonna say like get. And it's make this awesome, it's gonna make this awesome thing where we can say like command. And I think this is everything. Is this everything? Okay. Let's save this, and let's go back to here. Choose a file. Let's choose. Fuck yeah. What? You just need to save it, you know, like, and my like, I want to do this. Fuck you, Windows. Is this right now serious? Like, can I not? Can I not? What? Fuck you, Windows security. Allow on device. Yes. Moet je met je hele zaken. Okay, otherwise we need to, but like I'm really annoyed right now. Can I open real quick? Somewhere here? Is that type? Okay, nice, it's saved. Okay, like otherwise we need to bypass this real quick, but that is so stupid, you know, like open. Upload. Opening a new tab. Okay. Command equals S. Nice. We have a web shell. Awesome. Fuck Windows. Fuck yo. If I want to do this, it's my choice. If somebody else is trying to do it to me, you need to react like stupid. Like ls. Okay. This is gonna be stupid in here, so we're gonna grab that real quick here. Zoop. Zoop. Send to repeater. Zoop. Send. Okay. Nothing too special. Okay. Can we do LSL? Of course. Okay, nothing too special. Let's make a plus. Let's go back one directory. No. Okay, let's go back one directory. I think it's just gonna be some in one or two directories. Like it need to be somewhere. One more. Nice, all roots, so we can like. Do I? Can we go on local? Ooh. Okay, but it's nothing. Oh, this already. Okay, and we have flag.txt. I think this is the last flag. Let me real quick get this. Okay, and let's send this. And we have the last flag. Okay, I really enjoyed this one. We have completed the room challenge, is completed. And I think it was fun. I really enjoyed it again. I hope you guys like this too. I'm challenging myself some more. It's a bit busy with my work, but I'm still trying to get like my certs in. I'm still planning these things. I'm still busy with the Hack the Box. I need to update these videos, I know. But I'm also training a bit myself to, because I know, like, first I said I want to do the certificate of Hack the Box. The web certificate is the first one, and then the CPTS and things like that. But TCM Security, I think, is coming with this advanced web application certificate, and I already have the first one, so I really want the next one first. So I'm training already to find faster vulnerabilities, learn to scan faster, things like that. And these labs from Hamstack are really great material, really realistic, and I really enjoy them. I'm still also doing some bug bounty. I think one of the next videos I'm gonna do back a recon video, where we're gonna do a live target, hoping to find something. If I find something, I need to cut off. I need to delete that from the stream, from the video, until I have the rights to share it. So that's that's stupid, but I understand it, because if I show it and everybody watching it, everybody can exploit it. So that's not the way I want to be. But yeah, great one. I really enjoyed this one. Real quick, let me see the notes here. But I'm gonna. I think it was a really fun part, because what I think was interesting about this lab is you need to fuzz a lot. This API part. I love APIs, and I love fuzzing them and trying different things on them. And we still had some extra bullets in our things. What we maybe can do is so yeah. I hope you guys liked it, and I see you guys in the next one.